You wake up early. You work 40, maybe 50 hours a week. You get paid every Friday, and yet somehow, you still feel broke. Not homeless, not starving, just stuck. Because nobody tells you this. The system was never designed to make employees wealthy. It was designed to make them dependent. And the moment your paycheck stops, your entire life starts collapsing. This is the salary trap nobody talks about. And once you see it, you can never unsee it. Most people think a high salary equals financial freedom. But in America today, there are people making $50,000 a year struggling to survive, and people making $250,000 a year living paycheck to paycheck. How? Because salary can become the most dangerous comfort zone in your life. In this video, we're breaking down why salaries quietly keep people trapped, how lifestyle inflation destroys wealth, why rich people think differently about income, and how to escape the cycle before it's too late. Watch until the end, because the final mindset shift could completely change how you see money forever. Salary feels safe. Every 2 weeks, money appears in your bank account. You feel stable, predictable, comfortable, but that comfort is often an illusion, because your entire financial life depends on one thing: your ability to keep working. If you stop working, the income stops. And that means rent stops getting paid, bills pile up, debt grows, stress explodes. That's not freedom. That's dependency with direct deposit. The scary part? Most people never realize this because society praises employment. Get a good job. Climb the corporate ladder. Stay loyal to the company. But companies are loyal to profits, not employees. One recession, one AI replacement, one layoff email, and years of security disappear overnight. This is where the trap becomes invisible. You get a raise. At first, you think, finally, life will get easier. But then, you upgrade your apartment, buy a nicer car, finance expensive furniture, start eating out more, pay for subscriptions you barely use, and suddenly, your expenses rise with your income. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it silently keeps millions trapped forever. The average person increases spending every time they make more money. But wealthy people, they increase assets before lifestyle. That's the difference. Poor people buy liabilities to look rich. Rich people buy assets that make them richer. A luxury car impresses strangers. An investment portfolio buys freedom. There are doctors drowning in debt, lawyers stressed about bills, tech workers making 6 figures while living paycheck to paycheck. Because income alone doesn't create wealth. Ownership does. If all your money comes from your time, you're still trapped. Real wealth comes from systems that pay you even when you're sleeping. That could be businesses, investments, real estate, digital products, content creation, stocks paying dividends. The wealthy focus on building income streams. Think about this carefully. School teaches people how to become workers, not owners. You learn how to follow instructions, meet deadlines, memorize information, obey systems. But almost nobody teaches investing, taxes, financial psychology, building businesses, negotiating, creating assets. Why? Because consumers fuel the economy. The average American is trained to work, spend, repeat. Every advertisement says, you deserve this. But nobody asks, can you actually afford it? Credit cards make people feel rich temporarily, while making banks rich permanently. And most people stay trapped because they confuse looking wealthy with being wealthy. The salary trap isn't just financial, it's emotional. You start fearing Mondays. You feel anxiety before work. You count vacation days like a prisoner counting freedom. Some people stay in jobs they hate for decades because they built lifestyles they can't afford to lose. That's the real prison. Golden handcuffs, high income, low freedom. And over time, people stop chasing dreams and start chasing survival. That's how ambition dies. Not instantly, slowly. Escaping the salary trap doesn't mean quitting your job tomorrow. It means using your salary strategically. Here's the smarter path. Step 1. Spend less than you earn. Sounds basic, but most people never master this. If your lifestyle grows as fast as your paycheck, you'll stay trapped forever. Step 2. Buy assets. Every month, buy something that can produce future income. Examples: index funds, stocks, skills, side businesses, content channels, rental property. Assets create freedom. Step 3. Build multiple income streams. Never depend on one source of income, because one source can disappear overnight. In today's world, even a simple side hustle can become life-changing. Step 4. Learn high-income skills. The modern economy rewards creators, marketers, storytellers, and problem solvers. Skills can outperform degrees, especially online. Step 5. Stop buying things to impress people. Most people are drowning financially trying to look successful online. Fake wealth is expensive. Real wealth is quiet. Here's the truth nobody wants to say. A salary is not freedom. It's only the starting point. If you use it wisely, it can help you build wealth. But if you become emotionally dependent on it, you'll spend your entire life needing permission to survive, permission to travel, permission to rest, permission to live. That's not the life most people dream about as kids. Freedom begins the moment you stop relying on one paycheck to protect your